Hi, do you want to find the best way to get rid of Vaseline in your hair? Like you decided to do this Vaseline hair month challenge, which I did for a month. If you haven't watched that video, kindly go watch it out. The link will be in the description box below. So this is finally the video I promised you guys where we're going to get rid of Vaseline in your hair. So kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and for those that are new to my channel, hi, my name is Zia, and in my channel I talk about hair growth ideas, glow up tips. Like I really came a long way when it comes to glow up tips. I had an acne breakout, so if that's what you're interested with, please subscribe down below and let's get into the video on how to get rid of Vaseline in your hair. So guys, it's really simple, like it's legit simple. As we all know, when you apply Vaseline in your hair, it's kind of like grease, like it slides out of your hair, like when you try to drain it out from your hair. So it's very easy to get rid of Vaseline from your hair. I already gave out a story time in my previous video on the mistakes I did weekly on how to get rid of Vaseline in my hair. So let's get into it. We're just going to be needing two simple ingredients, which is just conditioner and your hair shampoo. So for conditioner, you pick your conditioner of choice. This is mine. I'm a Vatika fan. So once you have, okay, I had two bottles. One is full and the other one is empty. So you can take an empty bottle, fill it with a decent amount of conditioner, like a decent amount on the empty bottle. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take lukewarm water. Don't take boiling water. It's not, I don't recommend that. So you take like kind of lukewarm. It's just warm, but it's kind of cold. It's warm. It's just in the center, you get. So fill up the bottle with that conditioner and give it a good shake and you're good to go. By the way, when it comes to washing your hair, you don't really even need warm water. I tried with both warm water and cold water when it comes to washing my hair, and even cold water works. So you just need cold water to wash out your hair. So without further ado, I'm going to be showing you guys how my hair looks like with Vaseline in it. Then I'm going to be showing you guys the procedure on how to wash the Vaseline out of your hair. You just need to do it in sections. This is how my hair is looking like. You can actually think I have dandruff in person, and the camera isn't doing justice. Like my hair in person is kind of whitish, kind of grayish, but it's not something you can, it's just something simple you can deal with. Yeah, so it's time to wash the hair. This is how it's looking like. And trust me, once you wash out your hair, everything will come out. So don't panic. Everything will come out. Like everything will come out, trust me. Yeah, see, you can see some traces of the Vaseline in between my hands, my fingers. Yeah, so let me show you guys the simplest way to get rid of Vaseline. So guys, I decided to section out my hair into 4 sections. You can decide to do 3 sections on each side, whichever you prefer, but just for time management, I decided to go by 4 sections. So from here, I'm just going to be tying out 2 of the sections. Then the back section, I'll just tie it on its own, separate from the one that I'm starting to work with. During every wash day routine, always make sure that your hair is always perfectly detangled for easy washing of the hair strands. I already filled my conditioner with water, with warm water. Step 1, apply the conditioner. You don't need to apply much, just little, like it's water. Take the apply on the section. So remember guys, when I advised you that you need to add water into your conditioner, you can do whichever you prefer. If it's cold water, if it's warm water, they both work perfectly. So for this hair wash, we applying conditioner first, then we pour some little water in the hair, then now we add in the shampoo now, which gets rid of the Vaseline completely, and not really completely, but it starts getting rid of the Vaseline from your hair. So as I said, in this washing process, we're going to be doing 3 different rounds of conditioner and shampoo. So the importance of applying the conditioner first is to actually break the strong attraction of the Vaseline in your hair. Like look how the Vaseline is just coming out nice and slow. So using shampoo will get rid of all of it. So guys, as I said before, we're going to be applying shampoo next. So we're going to be doing 3 different rounds. First round conditioner, rinse off, then you use shampoo. Repeat again the process. Again, now during the first rinse, you'll notice that your hair doesn't form any foam. That means there's still Vaseline in your hair after using shampoo.
So when you do the second rinse and use shampoo again, you'll notice now the foam is starting to form in your hair. That means the Vaseline is finally getting out of your hair. So you'll do again 3 times until the 4th time, or you can decide. Some people might have to do this 3 times or 4 times. For me, I had to do 3 times because during the 3rd time, that's when I could notice the foam that formed in my hair.
Our shower is not working at the moment, so we'll just have to deal with this the African way.
So this is how my hair is looking like on the first rinse. You can think my hair was clean, and trust me, it wasn't clean even one bit. Remember, I told you guys, make sure you do this 4 times, 3 times until you start getting a foam. So this was my second wash again. As you can see, I had already applied conditioner, and this is shampoo. As you can see guys, we're having progress. Foam has started forming on my hair. We do not stop here. We're still going to wash another round. For me, I decided to do 3 rounds. Make sure you do this until you start seeing foam, like your hair is fully it's just full of foam. You get me? Yeah. So from here, I'm just going to be using my exfoliating brush. I just brush the scalp nice and good to get rid of some of the residue on my scalp. Yeah, so I repeated again the same process, applied conditioner, then applied my shampoo, and there was a lot of foam on my hair. So from here, once I'm done with the 3rd step, I'm going to rinse out all the shampoo in my hair. Then I'm going to drench that section with conditioner. So this is how my hair is looking like, nice and clean. Just look how nice and shiny it is, no traces of Vaseline even one bit. So from here, we're just going to be drenching out the hair with conditioner.
Next, soak this part again with conditioner, we close it, go back, and then we go to the next portion. We're already done with this side. Like, I've already cleansed my scalp properly. Now we can go to the next section.
So now that I'm officially done with that first section, I'm just going to be twisting it up, then I tie it up, and we're going to work on the back section. So for all the remaining section, we're just going to be doing the same repetition. Apply conditioner followed by shampoo, rinse off. Do this 3 times until you start getting a foam in your hair. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be showing you the last step which I did. Look how all the Vaseline is coming out. As you can see here, this is my 3rd step of using the shampoo in my hair. Look how nice the foam is forming in my hair. No foam means no progress in your hair. So yeah, that's what you should be looking for.
No foam means you're doing zero work.
So now that I'm done with the first half of my hair, now I'm going to be dealing with the other half, which is the same old repetition. Oh my god, is it just me, or every time whenever it reaches wash day, I'm just like, I'm already exhausted, like there's no going back, and once you begin you can't stop, you just have to continue. Like whenever I'm just from washing the first section, then I'm like, damn, that was a lot of work. Then I sit there and be like, 3 more sections to go. Anyways, I just like taking wash day routines like self-care and relaxation. As much as it's tiring, but it's also relaxing to me.
Oh, do please consider subscribing down below. Thank you. Now that I'm done doing all the 4 sections and just drenching it in conditioner, I am now going to start washing the first section we had initially. So I'll just rinse off all the conditioner, detangle it, and just braid it, and we're good to go. That's what I'm going to do to all the sections.
So guys, I'm here to tell you and just give you guys my deepest apologies. Like, I'm so sorry from deep down my heart about my inconsistency. Like, you guys mean so much to me, and as much as I'm trying my best to be consistent, but it's really tough on my side, balancing online life and reality world. So I won't accept this challenge to keep on prolonging my inconsistency. So this year must be that year. Like, first of all, thank you so much guys for 5,000 subscribers. All 5,000 of you guys, like imagine sitting down somewhere with me, like I'm standing in front of you guys and I'm talking to all of you. Thank you guys. You guys mean the world to me, and thank you so much for your consideration for subscribing to my channel. So I will keep working hard to upload more content for you guys. Yeah, that's all I'm going to promise you guys. This year must be that year, you guys. This year is that year. I'll never let you guys go. Thank you. So here I'm finally on my last twist. I finally washed off, detangled all my 4 sections, and from here I'll just let my hair air dry, and yeah, there you have it guys. Please use Vaseline in your hair. It's really the best for hair growth. I've already shown you guys how to get rid of Vaseline in your hair as I promised, and yeah, you're welcome.
So guys, we're now at the end of the video. From here, I'm just going to let my hair air dry, then I'm going to be applying my olive oil. So yeah, that's the simplest way to get rid of Vaseline in your hair, and I'll highly recommend you guys trying out Vaseline for hair growth. It's actually the best. And finally, at least I get to show you guys how to get rid of Vaseline from your hair, and it's just your good old regular conditioner is all you need and you're good to go. So please try Vaseline for hair growth, and do consider subscribing down below, and I'll see you guys in my next coming video. And always remember that, yeah, good things take time, and trust the process. Bye bye guys.